Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video. I finally got Nomadic Twists. I haven't done twists in so many years, so I decided to do some twists in my hair using hair from Janet collection. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this twist. They are so nice. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I did some twists in my hair. I haven't done twists like this in a while, like in a couple of years, and I really love how they turned out. I love the color, I love how everything turned out. So I filmed the tutorial for you guys and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do the twist. You guys know I've been keeping my own actual hair in twists, so I just basically twisted the sections on top of my twist. I'm going to show you guys everything in the video step by step. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, turn on your notification bell so I'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've already done most of my head. I just have about 6 sections in front. Altogether I think I had about 62 in total when I was done. So yeah, I have just the 6 sections in front, and as you can see, my hair is already twisted. I've been keeping my own hair in twist, so my hair is already twisted and parted nicely, and I'm just going to be moisturizing each section and doing my twist. So I'm going to be using the Janet collection Nala Tress Nomadic Twist Braid. It's 20 inches and it's color 1B27. I was sent 1B27 and 27, about 7 packs. 6 packs of 1B27 and 1 pack of 27. So this is what the individual twisted strands look like, and as you can see, it comes with a loop. So it's twisted with a loop so that you can use it for crochet. It's actually supposed to be meant for crochet, but I did mine in singles, as you guys can see. Now if you're doing it in crochet, it's gonna come up to about 20 inches, but if you do it in singles, you can kind of manipulate it to make it much longer. So as you can see, like doing this straight in crochet, it's a bit shorter. So what I did is that I unraveled the twist, as you guys will see, and then did it in singles to make it much longer. So right now I'm just moisturizing one of my sections. Now I'm going to be unraveling the twist. So this is how you unravel it if you want to do it in singles and manipulate the length and make it longer. So right now it's unraveled. Then I'm just going to fold it in half like so and stretch it out and fold it in half. So that is what I'm going to use to do my twist. So right now, as you can see, I'm twisting the roots of my own hair, going about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. You don't really have to go up to 1.5 inches. 1 inch is fine. So twisting the roots of my own hair. Then I'm going to attach the braiding hair to my hair. So I'm just forming a loop around my hair. If there's any part of this that I'm not explaining properly, or if it's difficult to understand, definitely ask me down below and I'll try my best to explain. So now that I have done the loop, I'm going to be braiding the hair into my hair. So braiding the roots. So as you can see, I've done the braid. I'm just braiding that. I just braided that into my own hair, and I don't normally do it too tight because I don't want too much tension on my scalp. But if you want yours tighter, just braid it as tight as you want. So now I'm splitting my own hair into 2 and adding it to each side of the braiding hair and just doing a simple twist. So I basically braided the roots and then started doing twists. So I braided up until there, then started to do my twist. So I'm just gonna twist all the way to the ends. So as you can see, I'm twisting it firmly, twisting it tight so that all my hair is tucked in nicely, and it's pretty long. So I'm just twisting. Then I normally wrap the twist around my head a bit so that it's easier for me to twist. So when I get to about this much from the ends, I just twirl it around till I get to the end, kind of like how you would twirl the ends of your own hair if you do it, if you're doing like twists on your own hair. That's what I do. I just twirl the end to just secure it. So that is how I do the twist. Very easy, very straightforward. I'm just going to show you guys one more time. So I'm doing another section, gonna moisturize. Then twist the root. Then unravel one of the crochet braiding hair, separate it and fold it in half, stretch it. Then braid the root. Then split the hair in half, split my hair in half and add each side to each side of the braiding hair and just start to twist. Add each side of my hair to each side of the braiding hair. So when I'm braiding the roots, the 3 pieces I'm braiding are the 2 pieces from the braiding hair, and the 3rd piece is my own hair that I twisted at the roots. Yeah, so I braid the 2 sides of the crochet hair, because remember I folded it in half, so I braid those 2 sides with my own hair as the 3rd side. So after I braid for about an inch, then I start to twist. So I split my hair into 2, and the 2 sides of my hair I split it into. I join it to the 2 sides of the braiding hair and just twist to the bottom and twirl the end. So like I said, they sent me 7 packs of hair, 6 1B27 and 1 color 27. I ended up using only the 1B27s. So this is the 1B27. As you can see, it's darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. So the top is 1B mixed with 27. It kind of has that ombre effect. And this is the moisturizer that I'm using, the TG Repair X Curl Food. As you can see, I've almost run out. I'm always running out of this thing. So yeah, anyways, the reason why I didn't use the 27 anymore was because I realized that if I had used it, it would have still looked like a 1B27 because my hair is long. So since my hair is black, it basically goes down all the way to where the 1B in the ombre would have stopped, and it would have still looked like a regular 1B27. So I just used only the 1B27s. I don't know if that made any sense, but yeah. Anyways, I'm done doing all my twists. I have 62 twists in my hair, 31 on the left, 31 on the right. And this is 4 packs of hair and 2 pieces from the 5th pack. Each pack has 15 pieces. So I use 4 packs, that is 60 plus 2 pieces from an extra pack to make 62. So now I'm gonna start adding in all my hair jewelry and all that stuff. This took me about, I think, 6 hours to do. Yeah, 6 hours, but I was stopping in between and doing other stuff, so I don't know. And I twist very fast too, so it just depends. But let's say budget about at least 5 hours to do this. So I'm just gonna be adding in just those gold cuffs and jewelry to my twist to make them look nicer. I really love how this style turned out. It's definitely something I'm going to be doing again in the summer. I feel like this color is perfect for the summer. I love the shade of brown on my skin tone. So like I said, this is 1B27, so yeah, it has an ombre effect, and I decided to use the 1B27 so that it will be easier for my own hair to blend in well with it. So my hair just blends in with the black 1B part of the top, and then it fades into a color 27. So I really like how the colors combine together. It also comes in color 1B, 2, 4, 27, 30, 51, 6, 13, burgundy. So many different colors and color combinations, and you can also soak it in hot water to make it softer if you want, or to curl it. I filmed a makeup tutorial for this look, and I'll be posting it 2 days after I post this one. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of this video for more information on how you can get this hair. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have tried twists before. I saw a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Passion twist, spring twist, bomb twist. It's all practically the same thing. So I saw a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and there are so many. If you want to watch different techniques, I did mine in singles. You can also do this in crochet. It just depends on what you want. I wanted the singles look, that's why I did it in singles. The hair is from Janet Collection. All the information will be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. And I also filmed a makeup tutorial for this look. I'm probably going to be uploading it 2 days after this one comes out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.